Good morning, class 4. Welcome to the offline class, and from today we will start our term 2 syllabus, okay, for composite maths. And in math magic, the chapter is going on is tables and shares. So related to tables and share, we have division in your composite maths, okay. So we will practice division from composite maths, and this is chapter number 5. Chapter number 5, the topic is multiplication and division. Multiplication we have already completed. So the second part, that is the division, we will start from today. Okay. So let us start division. As you know, division means the inverse process of multiplication, or you can say it is a repeated subtraction. As multiplication means repeated addition, so division means repeated subtraction, or it is the inverse of multiplication. Okay, so I think you all know how to divide, because from class KG you are learning division and multiplication, isn't it? So let us do it. Yes, one more thing, dividend, the number to be divided, that is called the dividend. Okay, the number to be divided, that is called the dividend, and the number which by which division is made, that is called the divisor. Okay, and the number of times the divisor is contained in the dividend is called quotient. That means whatever the answer is coming, that is called the quotient, and after subtraction whatever is coming, that is the remainder. Suppose I am dividing 286 by 4. Okay, so this the 4 outside, 286 inside. Okay, so let us divide. 4 sevens are 28, isn't it? 6 will come down, then you will give 1 0, then subtraction again 6 0. So this way you will divide, isn't it? So this one is called the divisor by which you are dividing. This is called the dividend. This is called quotient, as you know, and whatever the answer is coming, that is called the remainder. Okay, you can divide this 60 more times, but I am not dividing, just I am showing you what is the answer. Okay, so the remainder is the remaining portion. So this way you can identify the divisor, the dividend, quotient, and the remainder. Okay, now let us see the properties of division. Let us see the properties of division. Number 1 property, see, on dividing a non-zero number by 1, the quotient is the number itself. That means whichever number, when it is divided by 1, the answer will be the number itself. Suppose I am dividing this 286 by 1, the answer will be the number itself, that is 286. This is the first property of division. This is the first property of division. Now second property, on dividing a non-zero number by itself, the quotient obtained is 1. That means when you are dividing the same numbers, the answer will be 1. Suppose I am dividing 852 by 852, the answer will be 1. That means when you are dividing the same numbers, the answer will be 1. The non-zero numbers, obviously the non-zero numbers. Next, division by 0 has no meaning. Yes, whenever you are dividing by 0, it has no meaning. Okay, you can't do this. Now number 4, on dividing 0 by a non-zero number, the quotient obtained is 0. That means if you are dividing any number by, if you are dividing 0 by any number, suppose this one, the answer will be 0. But you cannot divide like this, it has no meaning. This type of division has no meaning. Okay, and the vice versa, that means when you are dividing 0 with any number, you are getting the answer as 0. So this is all about the properties of division. Clear? Now let us start exercise 16. Let us start exercise 16. Question number 1. Find the quotient and remainder when you divide. Also check your answer in each question. See, you have to divide and then you have to check the answer. How you will check the answer? There is a formula to check the answer. See the formula. The formula is dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, this is the formula to check the division. That means capital D is equals to small d into Q plus R. That is dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. In this case, if your dividend is you are getting this number, whatever after calculation you are getting, so the answer will be, that means you are getting the dividend, that means your division is correct. Okay, this way you will check the answer. So let us do the first one. Division, let us do the first one. Then we will check. It is given 5479 divided by 5479 divided by 12. Divided by 12. You have to divide it by 12. Okay. It is simple division. I think you all know how to divide it, isn't it? So 12 outside and this 5479 inside. Okay, let us divide 12, 5, 4, 7, 9. 4s are 48, isn't it? Subtraction 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Sorry, 12, 13 and 14. That means 6. This will be 0. Now 7 will come down. Now 5s are 60. 7. Now this 9 will come down. 6 are 72. This will be 5. Sorry, 7. This 7 minus 7, 0. That means the remainder is 7, isn't it? So you will write quotient is equals to 456 and remainder is equals to 7. Now you have to check the answer. So you have, for checking, you have to put it in the formula. See, the board is small, so I am rubbing it and I am writing it again. Okay, for checking. For checking, I am writing it again because the board is very small. Now checking. So checking with the formula that small d into Q plus R. This is in the bracket. Small d is 12, quotient 456 and remainder is 7. Okay, so multiply in the rough. 456 into 12. 2 6 are 12, 2 1, 2 5 are 10, 11, 2 4 are 8, 9. 1 6 are 6, 1 5 are 5, 1 4 are 4, 2 7, 14 carry 1, 5. Adding 7 with this, it will be 5 4 7 9, isn't it? So after multiplication we are getting 4572 plus 7, that is 5479, which is equal to the dividend. Okay, that means our answer is correct. When we are getting it is equal to the dividend, that means the answer is correct. Okay, so by the similar way you will practice the others also. Okay, now come to the next page, page number 78. Page number 78, we will do question number 19. The other divisions you will try at home, okay, and then check your answer. See question number 19. Find the quotient when dividend is equals to 5940 and divisor is equals to 54. Now here you have to find the quotient. Dividend is given and divisor is given. Okay, you have to find the quotient. So let us start. See, you can divide and then you can directly find the answer, or you can put it in the formula and then you can find the answer. Question number 19. Given. What is given? It is given dividend is equals to 5,940 and divisor is equals to 54. Okay, this is given and you have to find quotient. Since remainder is not given, so we can assume that remainder is equals to 0. Okay, now see, just to 54 outside, and since this is the dividend, so 5,940 inside. Now divide it. Ones are 54. Subtraction, you will get 5. This 4 will come down. Again ones are 54. This 0 is there, so this will go this side. That means our quotient is coming 110. Okay, so this is one way to solve it. Directly you are dividing and then you are writing the answer. There is one more way, that is put it in the formula and then find it out. Put it in the formula and then find it out. Okay, so capital D is equals to small d into Q plus R. This way you can find it out. Clear? Let us do number 20. We will do number 20 with that formula. Okay. Number 20. Find the divisor when dividend is equals to 7,560 and quotient is equals to 63. Now here you have to find the divisor. The dividend is given and the quotient is given. Okay. So in this question we will do it with the help of the formula. So given first one is dividend. 7,560 and next is given quotient 63. To find divisor, you have to find the divisor, isn't it? So put it in the formula. Capital D is equals to small d into Q plus R. You have to find this small d. Now capital D is given 7560 is equals to small d into 63 plus R. R is not given, that means it is 0. Okay, now see, 63 is in the multiplication form, so when it will come this side it will be in the division form. So capital D small d is equals to 7560 divided by 63, and since 0 it is addition form, so it will be as it is. So 63 outside and 7,560 inside. Now divide it. Ones are 63 minus 3, 4, 5 and 1. Now this 6 will come down. 2s are 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12. Subtraction, this whole will be cancelled and this 0 will be left, so this 0 will go this side. That means our divisor is 120. So you will write divisor is equals to 120. Okay, divisor is equals to 120. Now let us do number 21. Just you have to put it in the formula. Okay, so see 21, find the dividend when quotient is equals to this much, divisor is equals to this much, and remainder is equals to this much. That means now you have to find the dividend when the quotient is also given, divisor is also given, and remainder is also given. Clear? So for this you have to find the dividend. So let us find it with the formula. This is number 21. Given divisor, quotient, and remainder. Just make it capitals. So the divisor is 65. Divisor 65, quotient 56, and remainder is 60. Remainder is 50. Yes, to find dividend. So let us put it in the formula. Capital D is equals to small d into Q plus R. That means small d is given 65, quotient is given 56, plus remainder is 50. So multiply 65 into 56 in the rough. 65 into 56. So 6 5s are 30, carry 3. 6 6 are 36, 37, 38, and 39. 5 5s are 25, carry 2. 5 6 are 30, 31, 32. Adding 0, 14, carry 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3. That means 3640 plus 50. And when you are adding, you are getting 3690 as answer. 3690 as answer. Okay. So this means dividend is equals to 3690. So this is the answer. You will write here dividend is equals to 3690. Clear? So this way, with the help of the formula, you will find it out the dividend. And suppose the dividend is given, divisor is given, quotient is not given, remainder is also given. So in that case also, you will put this in the formula and then find out the quotient. Okay. So revise this formula to find out any one of this. That means if the other three is given, you can find out the fourth one. Okay, with this formula. So this is all about exercise 16. Now in the next class we will do exercise 17. Okay, so students, today up to this only, you practice this division for your term 2. Okay, so goodbye all of you for today.